everyone. So I put the disc in. I think it worked because at first I put it in the wrong way, but then I licked it, which that may seem kind of disgusting, but you know, it may not be sanitary, but it will work on lots of discs. So here we go. I'm gonna try this. Animal Crossing City Folk. This doesn't work. I'm gonna call Nintendo. Which means the emergency room. Here we go. Starting. You as nervous as I am? A lot of doctors get nervous. I think my doctor got nervous. Here we go. Put on, tighten the wrist strap. This could be good. Online